Hey guys, this is Jake Wire, Blue Coast Realty. I'm here at my open house today at 1432 Via Place East, and meant to get this video up much sooner, but I've had a steady stream of people coming through this open house, so I haven't had a chance to make this video and invite you guys. It's 70 degrees outside, sunny, so you know the beaches are gonna be packed, so come on down and check out this open house instead. It's over 2,000 square foot, 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 2-car detached garage. It honestly has the feel of a detached single family residence. So if you have someone who's looking to downsize, or you yourself are looking to downsize from single family standalone home to more of a condo townhouse situation, this might be a great option, offered at just $300,000. The HOA dues are just a little bit over $2,600, and that includes a public pool that you don't have to take care of, as well as public tennis courts that you don't have to take care of, which is always a great option. This home sits on 0.11 acres, so you do have your own yard space, but the common areas are all maintained by the HOA. As you can see behind me, it's been completely redone, so you just need to move your furniture in. Let me take you a quick spin around so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is the living room. As you can see, brand new carpets. That's a wood burning fireplace there. Through those doors is a fully enclosed sunroom, and past that is your private enclosed yard. Has some great built-ins, as you can see. Through that window, that's your detached 2-car garage. So like I said, this does have the feeling of a single family house with a private yard, private garage. That's your upstairs, so there's 2 bedrooms upstairs and a bathroom. Let me show you that kitchen that I was talking about. Stainless steel appliances, new granite countertops, great pantry. As you can see, this is the dining room. It has amazing natural light, huge windows throughout this home. So it really does have that feeling of a nice airy detached home as opposed to a dark condominium like a lot of them show. This is the master with a private courtyard right off the slider there. Plenty of storage, closet space. Then we'll come on back around, and this is your other bedroom downstairs, your hallway bathroom down there. So like I said, if you do have a client or yourself are looking for something like this and looking to downsize and not have a huge yard to take care of, this is an amazing option. It's been on the market for about 2 weeks. This is not gonna last. I'll be here for about another hour. Again, I meant to get this video out sooner, but if you're in the area, come on by. It's a great spot.